This game is called the Big Wheel. It's a simple game where if the students get a question right, you spin the wheel to determine how many points they will get for that correct answer. I'm going to click the play button at the bottom of the screen to begin. And the instructions say to divide into teams. You can use individuals if you have a small number of students. You will ask each team or individual a question. If they get it correct, you will then click the spin the wheel button in the lower right hand corner of the screen. The wheel will spin and you will assign that number of points to the team for that correct answer. I'm going to click the play button at the bottom to give you a demonstration. I will pretend that I ask my first question of the first team and they get it right. So I'll click the spin the wheel button a couple of times. And the first team is going to get 70 points. So I'm going to type in 70 there. You'll notice I had some leftover scores from a previous game still left in here. I can get rid of those by simply highlighting it and pressing 0 before I start the game. I'm going to ask my second question to the next team. Spin the wheel because they got it right and they will get 10 points. Now, this wheel does not add automatically to each team. So anytime you come back to team 1, let's say, and give them a question and get a number here, 45 points, we will have to manually add that to team 1's score. In this case, it would give them a total of 115. You can also download and use the Big Wheel Elementary version. This version is the exact same as the Big Wheel main version, except the only difference is that the numbers only go 1 to 10 instead of 1 to 100. I've gotten some feedback from elementary school teachers that the 100-point wheel was a little hard for their students to add sometimes, so this is in response to that. To begin the game using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab and click one time. After clicking on the Slideshow tab, click the From Beginning button on the far left. This will begin the game. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the Slideshow menu and choose View Show. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. If you receive a security alert when beginning this game and you're using Office 2007, simply click the Enable This Content button and then click OK. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual gameplay. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.